In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay on Amazon with a gift card. To get started, open your web browser and search for Amazon. Once you see the official Amazon website in the search results, click it to go to the home page. It's always a good idea to make sure you're on the correct site before entering any account information, especially when you're getting ready to make a purchase. If Amazon prompts you to log in, go ahead and sign in to your account. Make sure you're using the account where you want the order to be placed. This is important because the gift card balance will apply within that account during checkout. If you're already signed in, you can simply continue to the next part. Now check your cart carefully and click Proceed to Buy. Before moving on, take a moment to confirm that the items in your cart are correct, including the quantity, size, color, or any other options you selected. This helps avoid mistakes before you apply your gift card and finalize the order. Next, review your delivery address. Make sure the shipping information is accurate and up to date so your package goes to the right place. If needed, you can adjust the address before continuing. It's worth double-checking this now, because once the order is placed, making changes can be more difficult depending on the item and shipping speed. Once you reach the payment section, look for the area right under Amazon Pay Balance. In the input field there, type or paste your unique 14 or 15 character alphanumeric claim code exactly as it appears. Be careful to enter every character correctly, since even a small typo can prevent the code from working. If you're copying and pasting the code, make sure there are no extra spaces before or after it. After entering the claim code, click Apply. As soon as you do that, the gift card amount will instantly subtract from your order total. You should see the updated balance reflected right away during checkout. If the gift card covers the full purchase, your remaining total may go down to zero. If it only covers part of the order, Amazon will apply the gift card first, and the rest can be covered by your other selected payment method. That's all there is to it. Paying on Amazon with a gift card is a quick and simple process once you know where to enter the claim code. Just make sure your cart, address, and code details are all correct before you complete the purchase, and you'll be ready to place your order smoothly.